Gonads as endocrine gland is the next part of lesson. Gonads are sex organs, the testes and ovaries. Ovaries secrete following hormones. Estrogen, these are secreted by developing follicles, especially the secondary follicle. Estradiol is a main estrogen. It is responsible for secondary sexual characters in human female. Second hormone is called as progesterone. Corpus luteum of the ovary after ovulation secretes hormone called progesterone. This hormone is essential for thickening of uterine endometrium, preparing the uterus for implantation of the fertilized ovum. It is responsible for development of mammary glands during pregnancy. It inhibits uterine contraction during pregnancy. Relaxin. It is secreted by the corpus luteum of the ovary at the end of gestation period. It relaxes the cervix of the pregnant female and ligaments of pelvic girdle for easy birth of young ones. Inhibin. It is secreted by corpus luteum. It inhibits the FSH production and GnRH production. Testis. Testis secrete male sex hormone called androgen such as testosterone. It is secreted by the interstitial cells or Leydig cells of the testis by the influence of pituitary hormone called luteinizing hormone. Rise in testosterone level in blood above normal inhibits LH secretion. That means less LH means there is more testosterone. Less testosterone, body will secrete more amount of LH. It is also responsible for appearance of secondary sexual characters such as facial and pubic hair, deepening of voice, broadening of shoulders, development of musculature and male aggressiveness. It also helps to maintain testis and secondary sexual reproductive glands such as prostate gland, Copper's gland and seminal vesicles. Diffuse endocrine gland or temporary endocrine gland. 1. Placenta. It is intimate connection between fetus and uterine wall of mother for physiological exchange of materials. Material exchange between mother and the fetus is through the temporary endocrine gland called placenta. During pregnancy, placenta secretes hormone like estrogen, progesterone, human chorionic gonadotropin and human placental progesterone. This hormone check the contraction of uterine muscles and also maintain the thickness of uterine endometrium. This hormone helps to maintain pregnancy. Gastrointestinal tract or GI tract. In the GI mucosa, certain cells are endocrine in function. Majority of the cells of gastrointestinal tract are responsible for production of enzymes, but some cells are dedicated for the secretion of hormones. These cells produce hormones which helps in the production and flow of digestive juices, of which first one is gastrin. It stimulates gastric glands to produce gastric juice. Secretin. It is responsible for secretion of pancreatic juice and bile from liver. Cholecystokinin. This hormone stimulates pancreas to release its enzyme and gallbladder to release bile. Gallbladder is the structure that stores bile secreted by the liver. So production of pancreatic juice and bile is influenced by secretin, but their release is influenced by cholecystokinin. Enterogastrone or gastric inhibitory peptide is a fourth hormone secreted by GI tract. It slows gastric contraction and inhibits secretion of gastric juices. If there is excess amount of gastric juices, their production is regulated or controlled by gastric inhibitory peptide or GIP or enterogastrone. Kidney as an endocrine gland secretes one hormone called as erythropoietin. That is the main one. It also secretes renin and calciferol. Erythropoietin is essential for the formation of RBCs in blood from bone marrow. As an endocrine gland, heart also secretes one hormone called as ANF, atrial natriuretic factor. It increases sodium excretion through the urine and reduces the blood pressure. So heart as an endocrine gland secretes ANF, atrial natriuretic factor, and atrial natriuretic factor is responsible for reducing the amount of sodium in the blood by influencing kidney for its excretion, for the excretion of sodium. When sodium is excreted out, the osmotic pressure of the blood comes down. Simultaneously, the blood pressure also comes down, or it can be regulated by ANF. Hormone therapy or HT. Use of hormones in medical treatment is called hormone treatment. Hormone treatment is applied in pregnancy, menopause, osteoporosis, growth hormone deficiency, insulin resistance, and cancer. In all these places wherever hormone is required for the body functioning and they are produced in lesser quantity, hormone therapy can be done to regulate the function of all these organs or nutrients. Okay, that is hormone therapy, which is a 2-mark question.